Want to know one way you can get rid of hiccups? Stick a finger up your butt. I'm not making this up. This is one way you can actually get rid of your hiccups if they're not going away with any other method. I know a lot of y'all are gonna say I'm making this up, but this has actually been well documented. This is a case report from 1990 where a man developed hiccups that would not go away after having acute pancreatitis and needing an NG tube. When they tried to get rid of his hiccups with normal methods, it didn't work. But with a digital rectal massage, which just means putting your finger up someone's butt and then, doing a massage over there, they were able to get rid of that man's hiccups. And when they came back, they did the same procedure again and it went away. So if nothing works for you, good luck.